Hey gorgeous, Elyse here, Global Beauty Director for Too Faced Cosmetics, and I am so excited to be here with SEPHORA Middle East. Today I'm gonna walk you through how to do a smoky sunset eye using our brand new Palm Springs Dream Palette, only at SEPHORA. All right, so I've already prepped Julia's eyes with a little super coverage and set it with some Born This Way translucent powder. And now I'm gonna go in with the shade Saucy and Bossy, and I'm just gonna brush, sweeping back and forth just to give a little bit of a transition color. All right, now I'm going in with the shade BYOB, and I'm just gonna place it on the lid. I'm not gonna blend it because I really want it to be smoky on the outside. And then when you're getting close to the lashes and you can't really reach this hard to reach area, sometimes I just like to flip the brush and press up into the lid. Now I'm gonna go in with the shade Mocktail, which is a beautiful deep orange. This is what is gonna really create that sunset effect. And I'm gonna smoke out her under eye with this shade as well. Look up. And just make sure it's blended and softly diffused. Now I'm gonna go in with a Swizzle Stick. Now I'm gonna go and add just a little flare underneath her eye. This is really just gonna be a fun pop of color. All right, the last step in this look is to add this gorgeous gold shade Dirty Martini to the inner corner. I'm gonna finish off this look with our brand new mascara, Damn Girl. You guys have seen nothing like this in your life. This is like ditch your falsies. This is for the girl who wants her lashes to be seen from across the room. A lot of times when you have a mascara that's really volumizing, you put it on and 5 minutes later it just falls down. Damn Girl stays curled for 24 hours. I always like to start on the bottom lashes when I'm applying mascara. That way when you look up, your lashes aren't wet and you don't ruin all of the eyeshadow that you just created. So this is the first mascara that I've ever only had to use one coat, but of course I'm extra, so I gotta go back in and add a little bit more. I just applied Damn Girl on Julia's left eye, and there's nothing on her right eye, so you can see the before and after. This is such a fun, festive look for fall. If you like this look, please click like and subscribe and comment below. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.